Hi everyone, my name is Charlene Walton and I am the director of the STILLMAN College Undergraduate Biomedical Academy. Today I will be showing you how to use the COVID-19 testing kit. The first thing you need to know is that prior coming to the test center, you need to have filled out this authorization form for release of medical information. This will be provided to you prior to your coming to the testing site. When you arrive at the testing site, we're going to check your ID and then we're going to have you to sanitize your hands. After you sanitize your hands, you will be admitted to the testing site and you will be handed a box which looks like this. This is the COVID-19 testing kit. Inside this kit, you will first see this card. This is the card that you need to use to access the website to register your kit. Once you go to the Everlywell website and create an account, you must use your stillman.edu email. This is your test kit number. This number links you to the test that you're going to be administering. Please fill out your name, your date of birth, and the date of your collection. The date of the collection will be the day that you are taking the test. Inside the box will be a green box. Lift the green box out, and at the bottom of the white box, you're going to find some materials. So let's see what's in the green box. Here's the nasal swab. This is the swab that you're going to use to collect the specimen. This is the test tube container. And you're going to swab your nose and then stick the end of the swab into this testing specimen. Notice, this container has water in the bottom, so please be careful. Once you've collected the specimen, you're going to put it inside this bag. This bag contains a piece of absorbent paper, and it will absorb any water that's spilled out of the specimen tube. The next thing you're going to see is a cardboard box that you will have to assemble. The next item you will see is the mailing bag, and here is the mailing label. Let's review the contents in the box. The specimen tube, the nasal swab, the silver transport bag, the transport box, the mailing bag, and the mailing label. To collect the sample, you're going to need to pull down your mask and pick up the swab. You will need to break the swab in half while it's in this container, in the packaging. Then you're going to take the bulb end of the swab out of the bag. You're going to insert the bulb end in your nose, twirl it for 15 seconds. You're going to do the other nostril the same way, 15 seconds. You're going to take the specimen tube, take the red cap off, insert the swab in the specimen tube, bulb side down. You're going to tightly recap the specimen tube. You should take the silver transport bag with the absorbent material and put the specimen tube inside the bag. You're going to seal the bag. You're going to insert the silver bag inside the box that you've assembled. You're going to seal the box. put the box inside the mailing bag. You're going to seal the bag. And put the mailing label on the bag. Once that's done, you will give the bag to the testing personnel. Remember, COVID-19 is a serious disease. If you are experiencing symptoms such as high fever, cough, unexplained dizziness, nausea or vomiting, or loss of taste or smell, please contact your healthcare provider. And remember, we have to take care of each other. Mask up, social distance, wash your hands. Thank you.